cookies. Ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, it is Dad from Dad Simply Cooking. And what are we making today? Well, I got some cake mix. We're gonna make cookies. You're gonna need 1 box of cake mix, whatever kind you want. I stole this from my mom's house. You need a 1/2 cup of oil and 2 eggs. Let's get into doing this. I'm excited. Okay, I'm gonna put this in a bowl. My cake batter. I got a pan over there with parchment paper on it. I just sprayed because we're gonna put these in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour to let them set. So we're gonna need a 1/2 cup of oil. That's a 1/2 cup right there. 1/2 cup of oil. And this is just the butter recipe fudge. I thought that sounded pretty good. And 2 eggs. I thought this was my big bowl. So I'm going to go slow to start with. In hand whisk. Starting to form a little bit. Use a spoon the rest of the way. I got some chocolate chips and some white chocolate. I'm just going to mix that on in. To my dough. So with this dough, what we're going to do, we're going to put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes and then pull it out. We'll be able to ball it up and make some cookies. So it's up to you. You can use a little scooper if you want. And then you'll just get like a little ball. Boop. You put out on your cookie sheet, or you can do it by hand. Up to you. We're just going to grab it, roll it. And you can make these into big size cookies. I was not prepared, and I didn't preheat my oven to 350. So these are going to go back in the fridge until that oven beeps and lets me know it's ready. My oven's finally preheated. I'll got my cookies out the fridge. It's time to put them in the oven until they look nice and delicious and not nutritious. All right, everybody, look at our cookies. Look at that. This is a cake mix cookie. And look, the inside, so delicious. Look at that, y'all. That's a cookie. Inside, oh, it's gooey, it's good, it's delicious. It's gonna have your kids screaming, I ate my dinner, now I get a cookie. So, y'all, cake mix. If you don't have cookie dough already from the store that you bought, and I'm gonna be honest with you, this is actually cheaper than doing that, because those pre-pack of cookie dough is like $4. A box of cake mix is $1.57. You use an egg or 2 eggs and some canola oil. Make your own cookies. I love y'all. Thank y'all for liking and subscribing and commenting on my videos. I love reading y'all's comments. Drop some comments below. Let me know what you love to see, what you love to try, what you're interested in trying, or something that you've been wanting to cook but you're kind of afraid to try it. Let me know. In the description below is my mom's YouTube and Jerry, my wife's YouTube channel. Check them out. Let them know I sent y'all. I love y'all so much. Thank you so much. Dad, signing out. The cookie troop is out. Pay no attention to the elephant in the room. Oh, we're making cookies.